Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites, then act immediately. Sign into Netflix on the computer you'll share, open the meeting app, Zoom/Meet, and join or start the call. Make sure you use the profile with the content you want. Netflix limits simultaneous streams by plan. Once done, disable other high-bandwidth apps and connect Ethernet or 5 GHz Wi-Fi to reduce buffering. This setup prevents account or network conflicts before you capture the window. Next, select the Netflix player window as your shared source. Don't share the entire screen unless necessary. In the meeting controls, enable system audio or share computer sound. Netflix's audio won't transmit without that. If the meeting app offers hardware acceleration, enable it. If you get black screen, disable acceleration and restart the browser. Once sharing, play the title and use Netflix captions if viewers need them. Make sure you stop any VPN that modifies streams, because Netflix detects region changes and may block playback. To finish, verify everyone sees and hears the show. Ask one viewer to confirm audio and picture. If you get a black screen, first toggle hardware acceleration in your browser and rejoin the meeting. If that fails, switch to Chrome or Edge and share the tab specifically. If playback stutters, reduce Netflix quality in playback settings or pause background uploads. One key tip: if Netflix blocks playback due to digital rights, use a camera capture is not allowed. Stop and ask participants to stream individually.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.